Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Happy Friday, all. Yeah, I'm pretty fried. Been smoking my honey oil all day. Yeah, I'm still working on my website here, so I'm hoping I can enter all my Facebook friends a free full-time membership. So all I'll need is just your email. Give me your email, and I'll just set it up where you get full membership on loner420house.ca. Right now, I'm having my 420, good old honey oil dab. And we have rain here on Vancouver Island today, so yeah, I stayed indoors today. It's a rainy day here on the island. That's alright, gotta have some rain sometime. Again, happy 420 all, and happy Friday. Yeah. Again, happy Friday and happy 420. Signing out from Vancouver Island. Peace out.